following up. That's another thing. I think we failing as agents because we get somebody in our database, in our ecosystem. We may follow up once or twice, and for some reason, after that, we feel like, you know what, they're not reaching out back, they're not replying to me. Most likely they're not interested, they're a bad lead, I gotta find something else. And we just don't follow up enough. You wanna make a lot of money in this business, you wanna have a lot of clients in this business, the follow-up is the name of the game. What is the number one thing that the agent should do right now? Is they gotta focus on their database. Your job every day is to come across people that are thinking of buying or selling, and even if they're not thinking of buying and selling, your job is to gather information. Your job is to build your database. So every day you guys got to work on your skill. Every day you got to immerse yourself. Every day you have to stay true to your schedule, to your commitments. Focus on the buyers, focus on the sellers, bring them into your database, and build a system where they're constantly getting stuff from you.